If your YouTube channel looks messy, this simple playlist trick will instantly organize it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel and display it professionally on your homepage. Playlists are perfect for organizing tutorials, research videos, or different types of content, and they also make your channel easier to watch. So, let's set one up step by step. First, go to any video you want to add to a playlist. This can be your own video or even someone else's. And this next step is where the playlist actually begins. Below the video, click the three dots, then select Save. A pop-up will appear. At the bottom, click New Playlist. Now give your playlist a name. I'll call mine Google. Then choose the visibility. If you want everyone to see it, set it to Public. Now click Create. And just like that, your playlist is live. Now repeat the same process with other videos you want to add. The more organized your playlists are, the better your channel feels for viewers. But here's the part most people miss. You can actually display that playlist directly on your YouTube homepage. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select View Your Channel. Next, click Customize Channel. At the top, open the Home tab. Then scroll down to the Layout section and click Add Section. From the list, choose Single Playlist. Now select the playlist you just created. It will instantly appear on your channel homepage. You can even move it around and choose exactly where you want it displayed. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now cleaner, more organized, and much easier for viewers to explore. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.